What can I get you today, Eric?
Well, doing an oil change on a 23 F-150 with a 2.7 EcoBoost, so I need oil and filter.
And you need a plastic drain plug.
I need a drain plug?
Absolutely. Ford requires it. Every single oil change, you got to change that drain plug. And actually, that drain plug, it does good things. It only takes a quarter turn, no wrench. You can't over thread it. You can't over tighten it. You got a plastic oil pan, so there's no cross threading. Easy peasy, it's the way to go.
So they say every time, even if you don't damage the one you take out, they just want you
every single time.
All right, well, I'll take your word for it. You're the man, so dial me up. Filter, oil, and a drain plug.
I'll go get it.
All right, thanks, Scott.